the new coach for class of work and the catcher will say Togo Federal the 14th wakofa Tunisian coach as a Tunisian coach no me catcher will say were Champions League winning coach were top notch what did Champions League Africa ha sir has the folk ebetimi breaky band akofa a Champions League winning coach there a trouble winning coach there a tell say has the folk any abrepa quota why top notch and has akofana ba and na catch say ofri Tunisia what coach teams e Tunisia me catch say what did CAF Champions League na me no ka say coach no has in na wie ebia na nkwa wie ye wotena nkwa wie ye coach ne ba be drew Nabel Malou, yes. I tell from Facebook, coach in the new tactical brain. Edema has to folk. Or my way, be bien CBM has a way. Me the fella name under me catch now. And no pay me so has a way. Be bien see Nabel Malou, yes. Only a top notch coach, top notch. What the CAF Champions League or no? And a Tobe Akofanaba. And to phobia for no. Joining me live on Facebook. The Phobia family, top notch coach, Naber Malou, our coach big teams. Why your coach? And they are not even Tunisian national team. What coach Tunisian national team? Tunisia national team. Tunisia are qualified to walk up. Tunisia are qualified to walk up. Now, or your assistant coach. And son, I'm with the Jumani Bemano. Where you top notch Ali Malou, yes, and I said Nabel Malou has the folk, and then a top notch coach, or more than neighbor. Now, coach way, Sika Oba Jenny has the folk, no, and yes, Kakatwa. Coach way, Obi our coach Esperance, Obi our coach Tunisia national team, Obi our treble with Esperance, what the Tunisian League, what the Tunisian Cup. And what they CAF Champions League or the can what the trouble? Send a Pep Guardiola Jibo England and Mobile Nabasono coach way what the trouble? Ewo Tunisia or no ena or die Facebook no so no. Now has the folk Demensa can say justice to go for the far phone for a coach we say Ohiano no coach no at the club has the folk din. Deban say coach ni katre Toba Fede say, why you ready? So, Beba, but just one condition, pe. Say, Toba Fede Jitum say, idea way, ni onono coach ni condition, no. Say, has be mitia, or Beba. Coach ni has a kofara bana, what the Champions League, no. Coach ni katre, Toba say, why you ready? Or Beba, but one condition, pe. Say, has the folk Jitum say, Omo ebe ya sadie na obeba na me no ka say na ya coach ni ba ne kire say de
condition no magiato
na condition ni say coach ni katre has to folk mpan for so ono no wanya matarama coach wanya coach say afa na o start asem where you top notch into ono no of top notch players. One your friend about to work on that. Oh no, receiving a kutano no. That's it. Was it on percent receiving bad day? Ever say. Ain't you know? Has the folk in Sunny boss say? Has the folk ever top notch Africa, not Ghana.
Players.
Has but top notch players Africa and Ghana. Ediamano because not by Juma. Because no, why you top why you top notch coach. When Jimmy Magun and Nimas was folk, or Peso compete, or no, a coach at Champions League or Jibida, or Peso Sako Jibium, Uji, African or dominate Africa, or Peso Jibium, and T. On the coach, or no, or Baton Quadra, Sunny Alimu top Pasitao, no. Say, has Pasitao no penna, has a beto, Togo Sebeto. Coach said, Division 1 player. Nay, Division 1 player where you try and tested. I will born already. Now, friend, now better no. Togba Jatum. Na, me no ka say. Coach ni say goalkeepers na wa house no. Onja one pe. Yes. Wabo ni dia trempa ifo.
Okay.
Goalkeepers na wa heart no. Was one pen onja no o man kan nyina onja o mo kan o mo nyaade.
Nti goalkeepers na Richard Atta.
Richmond na Dabi na yebo nkan ho. Na on contract awu.
Okay.
Richard Atta. Richmond na ena Alawa. Eric Forentry. Coach ni say one pen entena. One obo ni dia trempa ifo.
Na wunya di no.
No odi no.
Sobebo.
Oh, enso chere me ma feles nko. Was boys na kan nyina goalkeepers no mpa obi a. Me no kasa yi. Coach no a oba ne no. Or recommend goalkeeper de ma has to folk. Say keeper we no pen no has a tonaba. Ye fa no. Zao. Referred Kwasi. Fane to Facebook no so woni and what da form no. The new goalkeeper for us to folk. Yes, ball no nam hen obete no. Ball no and nam hen senior man befa ball no. Yao.
You ever heard about
Kwasi referee the new goalkeeper obedru. When you know I just want that form na what bat boy be form no. Yes. Was it right? Yao no Y-A-O.
Okay.
Yao. Now referee. Now Kwasi na K-O-U-A-S-S-I. Oh no. Yao. Refer Kwasi.
Prince.
Has a fan about. Yes. Unim. Togbe ni abre. Togbe target trenya Ghana Premier League bi mu. Of Africa ni bi aje. Enti the new goalkeeper. Ono announce ani. Fano to so ono asa no. Yao. Yaso bobo no tiem yao. Maza.
Nice oba.
Wo oba. Okutabo ni se twetwe. Enti woni Yao Kwasi referee.
Na also free.
Free Cote d'Ivoire. Or a top net from Cote d'Ivoire. Top net goalkeeper. Obedru. Yao. What's the trouble no? Yao no. When you bedru. It's no. The latest. I will have the folk. The new coach. That's the Sika coach and the Mensa can say coach in the Bejano. Has to folk technical bench na Brunin Wano. Can I say Rooney Heading?
Yes.
Technical director. Any the new coach. Nabil Malou. Yeah. The most expensive technical bench in Ghana. One of the most expensive technical bench in Africa.
In Africa, yes.
Technical bench omo bo den.
Yeah.
Ekuta aso folk wa Ghana hanyina.
Two coaches in $2
Yes. What we yawo?
Two coaches in $2
What we yawo?
Me gusto quasi na tre.
What you two coach keno? I just want me enter me the video no to.
You say yao Wilfred.
Y-A-O. No, Wilfred. W-I-L-F-E-R-D. No, Kwasi.
Spell
K-O-U-A-S-S-I. Kwasi. No, Sina. Afita. Boenta. So apie. Network in slow. Okay. Yao Kwasi. Latest. What touch it down? What touch it down? And your coach and recommendation. Yao Kwasi. And Ocean Phobia, the Continental Club. This is the latest one as a folk.
Yeah.
Their new coach, their new goalkeeper.
And into one technical director, and Tunisia. And a quality coach. Now, quality coach no more penal. And a motanas no more. And a coach, a friend Nabil Malou. Nabil Malou, I can ask me about Esperance de Tunis, about Hanover, and about Club Africain.
About
Esperance de Tunis.
As a player, no?
As a player. About Hanover 96.
Oh, Germany.
About Ali Club. I was Saudi Arabia. And about Club Africain. Prince Oko Tunisia national team. About Tunisia national team as a midfielder. About 74 games. And was share 11 goals as a midfielder. So who the coaching career? Why assistant coach Edema Tunisia national team between 2002 to 2004. Why under 23 head coach Edema Tunisia? Ufri Hoba between 2004 to 2008. Why head coach Edema Club Africain. 2006 Tunisia Echo World Cup said the kind. Now why assistant coach Edema Tunisia. Between 2010 Echo 2012. Obey head coach Edema Club FN Esperance de Tunis. So over in the history of Africa, few clubs and Aji treble. Few clubs. Ali, Omwa Egypt, Omayebi. TP Mazembe, Englebert, Omayebi. AS Vita Club omayebi UM's OGS omayebi Accra House of Folk
104.9
ayebi ana coach ye frɛ no Ali Nabel Maloum what the club a friend ye Esperance de Tunis ayebi in the year 2011 what the CAF Champions League what they no ton ten Tunisian Super Cup what they ana after Tunisian League what they what ye top notch coach is omayebi na ye few Jose Manuel what the allié Piso Mosmani what the allié
Piso level ni bi.
Yes, Piso level ni bi.
Yes.
The late Sir Cesar Josati Kofio 2000 what the House of Folk yebi. And away another coach Prince Ope top note coach our Africa where one of them
Me can say coach we.
Yeah.
Where the greatest coach has appointed no team asem ni. Me can say the greatest coach has enya. Coach with the greatest coach has appointed no. Me told me adena.
And that you say
in the history of us. Me just so say has appointed coach over the Champions League me there, but why?
In the history of House of Folk there, per their own canon. I will agree with you because I think Kofi or Aaron House of Folk no one be that.
The also there or the house never J. Me coach
what the House of Folk.
And you coach or coach has.
What the House of Folk. And never J CAF Champions League ever get trouble.
And what the house never J.
Oba why make it seem you know they are 200 and over.
It's me must say the greatest coach for House of Folk.
Yes.
Me say coach we.
Yes.
Or no,
You see, one of the greatest.
the greatest coach has appointed.
Based on the CV.
Yes.
How do you remember?
Say has appointed coach bi okuta sa CV we bi da. Ti say bi nipa kono ba no the has abeye. But say af nipa kono ne ba no. Say coach we ba no. No the sa record we ba no. Has one point to
Me yani ni ya
But as appointed coaches are no more great in terms of coaching national teams.
coach be.
Oh, now me about your Jackente.
Not the neighbor.
Oh, Jackente was coming with a medal. Also, what
medal.
coach and the same.
There be a coach Tunisia national team they go work up.
They better can.
Yo.
Be a minute be ya.
And I took a few before coming has coach our blasters.
There you.
It wasn't about
Me ba. Also, it's the best I will use certain description.
I took a few. Oba has no coach blasters. Not the blasters at today. Nothing. But where you coach Oba no what the Esperance at the Champions League. What coach Tunisia national team they are called work up.
Oh, but say, what makes me silence? When Oba with
what the Champions League medal?
Excellent.
Why trouble
the moment you come in with Tunisia national team going to World Cup, has when your coaches are already blasters are come major tournament.
There be has in your coach or the blasters are called World Cup now.
World Cup, they say, and could be but major tournament.
And has in your coach Oba or the Champions League medal.
Of course, that one I agree with you, but me.
But wait about what the Champions League medal.
That's the only difference.
There be different the whole Africa.
Your
biggest competition.
I was struggling to understand some better.
You see, or the Champions League, you know, it's a great achievement.
And not the money the biggest, you know. In terms of coaches, coaches
are house of folk. The trophy.
But
none of them.
You first
I don't know about house of folk. Or maybe size profile.
You first about the winning example.
Yes.
Under Togbe.
Yes.
Sabo Dubano. Now when you're the greatest coach.
He was nothing.
But Oba has under Togbe. I'm gonna be the greatest coach I have appointed. It's me the ending. You say. Wabe coach has no way the greatest, but all bano. See any record our day bano. Has appointed coach be okuta sa CV.
Anything I say. Per their own canon. Coach ni bana urban profile. Our day bano. And you house of folk na orbe fano. Champions League. I mean Egyptian Tunisian League. And then Tunisia's Cup. Where ye Syria, what build that our day ba?
So coach Kuwait.
Oh yes, wakochi Kuwait, wakochi Syria, wakochi El Duhula. Was that just last season on the coach Esperance? Just last season. Just last season.
Coach Esperance.
Just last season. He was the head coach
for Esperance.
Wow. Just last season.
Malu
and you say Manako for 3 years. No. And the coach in the profile there, I think is the best thing that Togo bet him the house.
Yes.
Per Duma Waye. But the only thing in the same. Bana Obano, a Jumana Waye Esperance. Obetina Bayebo house of
Certain also open materials.
And no, a profile what they will be a hand say. So what the CAF Champions League, what the season they improve Hasselhoff. Don't come to Hasselhoff.
Coach or coach will improve players.
No one say
Why can't you talk with her? Or why can't you talk with her?
What improve it?
Or see,
that is in the profile. What would in the profile? So he need a player that match up to his standard.
Simple.
Filippo.
Simple.
Even Pep Guardiola.
On can't say Pep Guardiola say.
Blame improve.
On the
man no improve player now.
Simple.
That is what I was talking about.
Pep Guardiola top notch. No improving.
That is what I was talking about.
When the command matter
now have his conquer command not one pay or no have his conquer doesn't match his standard. Was still call Bright Tunisia. Nekofa Esperance almost strike a bra.
Yes.
And more than about Tunisia, he will improve that in more than one has to. That is his standard.
That's what I was talking about.
Togbo Sojatum said he's ready to spend.
Prince, improvement na me kan you know. Me nkase ngophobia wa samro. You and I agree say somebody like Natanake mu Pep Guardiola has improved them. And Odo Magic trophies.
I said Natanake ba no sign.
Me nkase wasa. That what need to world class ni bi hu anu on ben ho.
And now kofa
But he has been improved at the Pep Guardiola.
No, the performance
the winning trophies.
You are struggling to understand us, but we are all in the same line.
Understand your point.
We are all in the same line.
It's like keep on makofana bano. Keep on nabano. Yao Wilfred. Last year, Cote d'Ivoire League on the best goalkeeper after the season. On the best goalkeeper, Cote d'Ivoire League after the season. And now coach now recommend them with the naba. Why prospects on.
He has the potential to be great. But in the money. So the coach is up there to upgrade him.
And money. It's a Man City to offer Josko Vadio. When you're bad player, when you're bad center back, but when you're world class center back,
he's not the level of Van Dijk.
And also one sign, when you're top notch, but when you're world class.
Perfect. So the performance determines the favorite of the coach.
Of course.
And that is the end way. But the coach is not here to improve or
the coach will improve them.
Uncle Fana man is on the
You are getting me wrong. Pep Guardiola is improving Kopama more.
Uncle Fana of Academy.
Anything I say.
Yeah,
this coach now Obano. Players now ever has to focus. He needs to improve them. That is my point. Me can't say Yankophobia wasa. And family no metete.
On put you also ready to improve players. So top notch no my Juma. On top notch.
He's a great coach and he expects a huge from him. Per profile na eba ne de has to folk. On bed de lo mo pa.
Mate, ever see me da Simon Samuel flip brem nsemo.
You see football by no adwuma e de mark ball for. Football near the Marco Ball for one coach school and one Johnny Chef now Bobo. But at the end of the Ball for no, and you be a business aspect. In time for a investing. It's you see football is an investment. It is come from Nasi cannot do remuno as far about the amount. Just like so we business BAB. Yama no sorry no mu kwadwom no mu ye adwuma na. Omunisika ram digano. All because they think that our same fast wire day. For every business, there must be a return. But one aspect of about business, and they say, the one investor never expect a positive result and now return say papa. No. Tell Tracy. Now when any investment be kwasi and Tracy and try say bibi beba.
104.9 FM.
One for him into the na whole thing. Ade bako a football mu say amanfo a ene omudi football enya sika. Yesi football country, football nation. Omu nyina ni abredi sika ewram. Na de bia ye kan yakura Brazil. Na ka Brazil for komu say ne hwan, oman anka nyame ma omu ahwede enko a. No matini anyinia ma economy na so solid and strong. Edientia. Omu hu say nyame acha omade bi. Enye sika kakra no munya fira ahwede enu. Yemfa enwuram ye investing into football. And on my investing. And then we talk about Brazil today. And it's everything about football. It is a unya wadwe say we invest here. Cause don't go near football.
104.9 FM.
Nana Ghana ha. Ye de na free say ye mo. Ye born keke. Ye bo. Born ye ko park no so ani ye bo. Cause ye ni born bo. Nyame o chey. Any ye bo anti ye teams no kwa. Born ye bo. But you fit the business aspect of our football today. The business aspect, you know. Now free Ghana muko. Titi adina oh ye de nyame che yade first ne tim de na kwa si fom ni akobo ni agi edin etie de ni bo ne bo yenko ne enko bo na but efa bia eye investment ye de sika wuram na san so ma ye sika no na ye refi and North Africans ni be ye ya but today pasisa ufa has of folk direction at Togbedi Omokona Togbe has come to realize say football is about business. And Togbe has been a successful business partner. Funny companies. Why are successful? But the only aspect of about his companies are not egunu. Has folk. Because Tikara no di ramuno among for money co waste. People now know Muya Juman doesn't understand the business aspect of football. And they co waste. The supporter just needs the results. But investing in the game becomes poor. And he said, next order, sorry. Now I call Netherlands. No, I call for a high profile coach. Obia Waya Juman to the highest level. Coaching the German Bundesliga, but say, football, Mabia Juni dear, come and steer affairs. Oh, my technical director, and mommy, and the brother technical director. You will be Mamuha. So let me bring in somebody that understands the culture and the philosophy of African football. Obia abo ball Africa happen. What ball Esperance? What took coin ni moi? So what be a coach? A coach Esperance nibi. A coach in Tunisia. So he understands the culture and dynamism in African football. So therefore, let me go back to the glory days of Hasselfoka. Let me go back to somebody that understands that glory system. And Brennan has it in Dino. Na your coaches and players are Omaboni Wamu, any African terrain. So let me go and bring in somebody. And Nabil is coming back to the team House of Folk. Such a huge profile and ever of Tunisia and North African country. They understand the business aspect of our game today. Omuno ye game no. Ye teams ne ko ha no mu yamo sisi omo. Other ye North Africa, they have the infrastructure. So before a coach from North Africa will accept a job in Ghana, team no nyama omoye. And typical example, House of Folk. And then infrastructure isn't a problem for House of Folk. Infrastructure any problem and for my House of Folk. Because Togbe as certain people manage their 200 it has a lucrative, has a attractive to any foreign investor. And the coach here obey. Any profile now, dear Banu. You have seen the best. But my country, Aki and Popo, and any other person in your House of Folk say, they are going to work with personalities. They have achieving record. They have history in the game. No interference. Nobody should go and sit on radio and, lambast these coaches. More money the target. Or set the target. Put and you may be on paper. Said this is the new direction I and they understand the game. No one, but see,
okay.
Because profile we never know. Yametra Kromo has say, Emma Crofobie may say, the Bubo Munasi to concert DNA at Trobinti. Na coach is a Cassia Baroma, but Tiago no Mukono. Na Beleba. His coach Esperance de Tunis. He's coached the Tunisian national team with a high record of winning a treble. Our Africa ha. Na the Emma say, has at the treble nibi. Brothers say about teams at the treble nibi no. Has Eddie PM. So has a record and a history. On betting my church, the actual coach will say, again now we be in 2011 with Esperance has achieved this same fate in the year 2000. It will be such a high profile team. And Ababayotuma. But again, a hindrance for this coach. Now what team is succeeding? Any personalities involved. It is not about bringing in materials. Coaching the an option.
Okay.
But all Bia has been in Bayajuma be unfortunate to them say for the benefit of House of Folk. Has been my co-yentino. Yenya Panino Yajuma. And they are able to work.
May I say, Mammy, na me kase, and you may cost House of Folk, and this time a quite interest. That's Nifle Moha, and the House of Folk. Look at the dress and medical training. I just ordered a Facebook. Where is it training or more? Just for like, on said, Oko training number for or more, DB a 10 year bar. Say, never be bukrana, your home kit, home training kit, away training kit. Look at the way house players are dressing for training. Look at this. Mama second one be. Shantade na say haza togbe ye adwuma. Man command man for me. Togbe ye adwuma. Togbe ye adwuma pa. Look at this. The place why na Pomina na make us a development course no. Ayi bi no mu bu no. Omu social center na omu bu no. A omu si fro no. This the state. And also mamu hu de yakonyina. De Togbe de excavator ko bugu ye no kai. Old commercial center bi no ko bugu ye no mo so and was seen finish was ano. Therefore Togbe no. And was seen finish was ano. Afi family rapport mine. Is it why yeah baby a table tennis, volleyball, baza has a volley feel on you. Baby a table tennis on volleyball, netball, you know. Why yeah, I'm a player now. And once I'm more phono, Toribamuko training now, and the football and quam, volleyball, oh basketball, tennis, yes, into where yeah has to folk put my honor. Where you boss and netball and this animal, and I was sound super astrotef. Is it house of matter? I was to tell so. I now find you create training will be astrotef. So look at the astrotef to buy it will put mine. And the Facebook on so. Astrotef. What for lighting na? What do? It has to come out. Not so much no. I was a common astrotef so. And now find a house you could training. I will team be astrotef. On one cast on idea.
On idea. Somebody go see.
To look at the facilities.
Let me say, Omo do amobano. Omo be share nyama we nyina o. For us now, I feel no more turning to be a business football club. And maybe a term there just like that. Oh, you would do 64 battalions now back. The old things has to focus now. But if you understand football and football business now, because see, these are some of the things I also do who don't be. And if what they say, Kate now can't watch me. The coach or the technical director is telling them, say, unlike somebody me a partner with somebody. You have a more selling point to be to when you say. Why don't we also go into the factory, create our own replicas? Excellent. And I'm for Tracoma because Obitimi has but not an answer. Has any more any at all. No, Neska.
Tell me, Chanadi.
So Adita has own factory now on Kutameton in this town.
And Singapore, so near baby.
Because in a Quemu, I just a Quemu now. I'm for no, but you know, not nice. What to go
to the Ukraine, Kruber, I did. But
as I'm printing.
But Obi the crash body, Obi the body. I want the Lufu.
Now you better do for Kanka. I say that, and the focus is on.
There's a Oduaka something that
Obi kwani di o Singapore wo yo de wasafo e adabi na se na obi
but no make go to phone e
so bra wo to say wa odam say wo YMC o mu yeduma
a odam say mo nyantade e se mo fra no
that's all
e no o ma ko ntatantai
na no mam no
o tu for design
kan na mo makwe
e o tu for ka so mo kwai
wa no so mo kwai no e
no ma direction no ma location
no ma location obi si kwai di o Singapore na wo so kwai o de wasafo a e ye
asembe na wo kan
adabi
see on but see me football nowadays is about business and I'm happy House of Folk in the direction of making business out of football.
Yes.
They are making business out of football. And then so we a foreigner and an investor now call House of Folk promo player Ratadias and Impo Keke.
Mate, I'm
so Ratadias no it don't mean in fact my Isikafia because player who say
Mate
it also more sign players 8 years 7 years, yes, no matter. Coach, the players no more, you know, but how much 7 years he be there. Because keeper here can 29 years.
29, 29, 27
years.
26 and 27. 26. And 2 money. And 2 money says yes, and 7. We'll keep us to that. That's facilities and any and Tadiana boys.
And maybe a tremor.
And then may has a Jumawai. And maybe a Makotokofon Casami has any. And then the Togbe and also Bonabaso.
And maybe a trim. Se oko Premier League in one. Na German Bundesliga. Na Italian Serie A. Na wasoro at the Premier League. And to almost start no Premier League no me in for free. No me in for free. Start time na Bundesliga na Premier ayimuno na wasoro Serie A na wasoro. And to omankasa start yese. Yenye ya ne kasa ye de. Ano mankasa tweguma. And the Premier League is the most attractive league in the world. Premier League no Ene the band sponsorship omukuta more sponsorship than Bundesliga and than Italian Serie A.
Mate and Ghana for me
ni has to fuck no. Baby omo shase no. Omo low. Enti omo start ayo omo ankasa de to be attractive. One kasa mu na so we attractive. And has to fuck as say attractive. Enu otena chi people will come to house of folk.
Kama afi Adidas ne beba.
Enu na make no.
Enyamado ne kwa Adidas.
Enu na make no.
Adidas ne ba.
Enu na make say almost 30 enei. Na otena no house of folk
abaya wa dressing no ho ya wo na
e wo na be frɛ nya abaya na ba be chew.
But what I say
abana branding hu ye.
Dabu ni bi de otifie kwa.
Let's be honest. That we are
Dabu no otifie kwa re bo opuru.
Yebom si ye bie. Ni ahwe se o de anya hwe. O de me mfa ne saa, ne agya